Well, good morning, everybody. It's 12:04 on the East Coast. It's probably 3 o'clock on the East Coast. Just want to go over Memorial Day trading with you, kind of show you some of the levels, kind of show you what was going on in the markets. This is from Sunday into Monday, and here we go. Here we go, Sunday, basically open, cash market open, or Globex open on Sunday. So, what are we looking at? I'll move the chart over so you can. We'll just see Sundays. So this is what I'm looking at from Sunday. There we go. Basically, that's it. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking at on Sunday. Okay. So what happened was we formed a zone up here, and these are emoji zone indicators, by the way. We formed a zone up here that was tested, spiked through it. You know, didn't really do a whole lot. Bounced off of 2842, which is the level I will show you in a second. Then bounced off the Thursday TPO POC, which is another level I'll show you here in a second. Came back up, and then we started looking at a buy side, sell side area right here. You can see the resistance changing into support right there. Came back through that area. We rejected off the absorption right there at the absorption extreme level, which we'd bounced off of before, which happens to be a weekly value area low. That was not a surprise right there. Not a surprise to bounce down. We bounced down into this previous emoji zone here, which basically it held until price ripped down through it on Friday. Came back down, had an absorption right there, which you could basically have gotten out right there. We've got a double absorption right there, and we came back up. We retested the absorption extreme right up here, but we really didn't get we didn't have any more absorption there. So the probably the whale or whoever that was up there that was it was defending that level, 3475 went away. And here we go to the upside. Came right back into that emoji zone right there. Tested it. Came back down. Formed another absorption down here. We're starting to see there's an absorption down there. You could have gotten out, I guess. I'm looking for these zones here to get formed. So we had an absorption right down here. We had a zone formed at 28.50. We had a projection, a price rejector come on here. So there was a rejection of price at that level. Came down, retested it, came back up. There's an absorption right there. Okay, to me that's a warning sign. If it absorbs right above, and that was Friday's TPO POC. If it absorbs right up there, right up here, that's kind of a warning sign. We're probably going to head back down. So I would get out of my, if I was long, I would get out of my long once I saw that absorption and go, okay, fine, what's going to happen next? And you can see what happened next. It came down and retested it and then formed another price rejection zone, interestingly enough, right here, which is where that absorption extreme turned on before, 28, 27, 25. So it retested that absorption and then went back upside. So there's a re-entry for you right there. Instead of, if you would have sat in this and said, heck with it, I'm gonna go for the long play. I'm gonna go back up here and shoot for that 28, 38, 39, 39, 20, 38 level, 30, 50. I'm gonna shoot for that. Okay, fine. You get stopped out. It's a small. If you keep your stop losses tight, it's a small stop out. If not, then you get right back in here. You look to the left and go, okay, where's my absorption? Where's my previous absorption levels? I got an absorption level here, and I got all this stuff down here. So I would look, since this has been broken, this is invalid, but this hasn't been broken yet. It just sat there. So I would look for the market to come back down here. There's the rejection. There's the price rejection, and we go upside. Even though they're trying to, you can see some absorption markers here, really didn't go anywhere. So we We came back through weekly value area low right here. They tried to stop us at this particular point right there. Didn't it you know, weak volume, they didn't make it. So what happens? And bam, right here, right back into our old friend, this emoji zone right here. So now we're kind of hanging out there. We rejected we rejected out of this zone, which isn't a great surprise. This is basically a resistance zone. They rejected out of the zone, and we're coming back downside. I would look for targets down here. I would be, if I was trading that, I'd be short about 38.50. Maybe when the when that candle closed right up here at the top, I could have gotten in 39.25 for 40.25. It didn't. I don't think it hit it. It hit. It did. So 4 or 5 tick stop right there, railroad tight stop, and here it comes back down. And this is real time, as you can see from the chart. It's 3:10 in New York, 12:10 here, and I fully expect it to come down here. It may bounce off Friday's TPO pop, maybe, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I expect it to come down here. So anyway, I'm in the sack. It's 12 o'clock, and I'm getting up in about 5 hours or so. So, and see what the S&P did overnight. Anyway, I hope this video helps people to kind of see the structure of the market a little clearer, instead of looking at candlesticks and price action and and that sort of thing. You can use those in conjunction. You can use these emoji zone levels in conjunction with price action or volume or whatever you want. And to me, they enhance my trading. Order flow enhances my trading, and I know a lot of guys that use it. So it really doesn't matter what order flow suite you get. You can get emojis, you can get NOFT, you can get inbox wave, Jigsaw. There's a bunch of other ones. So anyway, hope you guys had a great Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow.